of that petition.
आपने कहा
Lordship,
मैंने ऑर्डर में लिखा दिया।
Lordship.
अब यदि 28 मार्च तक ये कंप्लायंस नहीं हुआ तो पर्सनली अपीयर होना है, दैट्स ऑल।
Lordship, that.
आपको ये ऑर्डर समझना चाहिए और अपने ऑफिसर को बता भी दीजिएगा।
May I please, my lords? I beg to appear on behalf of the. My lords, can my lords see me? Yes, my lords. My lords, I beg to appear on behalf of the complainant, my lords. If I could just reiterate, my lords, this is that appointment issue, my lords, where the order of the Honorable Division Bench was of April 2024, my lords. Twice the Honorable Supreme Court said, please implement it. Finally, SLP dismissed on 28th August 2024. 7 months back, SLP is dismissed, my lords. Thereafter, 10 warnings have been given by my lords to the state to issue us appointment letters. 10 warnings, starting from September of 2024. Today is the 11th hearing, my lords. Either an adjournment has been sought or final chance has been given multiple times, my lords. Last time, my lords, the matter was listed on 17th February before my lords, where my lords had asked 2 questions to them that kindly complete the implementation by 15th March. And there are about 900 posts as per 17th February order, my lords, which they had to come back with. Now, today they have filed a reply, my lords, saying that we will issue appointments by the end of March. And they say that the 900 posts have expired. The question that I put to myself is, my lords, how can such a reply at all, my lords, explain the conduct of the state? When there is a specific direction by a division bench in April 24 that these 900 posts are to be included, it is a common vacancy, my lord. It is not a separate vacancy. There is only one notification having a common vacancy. So therefore, these 900 posts which were left vacant.
As per order of Honorable Division Bench, there is no order with regard to 900 posts lying vacant. There is no order.
There is no order. They say the list has to be made.
You have made an argument that
my lords,
there are more than 900 posts lying vacant.
Indeed, my lords.
But the said list has not been placed by the respondent before this court.
Indeed, my lords.
Therefore, this court has directed the learned counsel for the respondent to verify
Indeed.
the above facts.
Yes, my lords.
And
Indeed.
explain the same by the next date of hearing.
Yes. What they have done is 2
And
things.
he has explained that
Yes, my lords. Can I just
there
answer?
is no 900 posts.
No, that is not.
They were vacant before the order passed.
Before the order passed means
In 2024.
तो वो पोस्ट भर कैसे गई?
भरी नहीं है, वो खाली थी। उसके बाद फिर वो जो पोस्ट जो वैकेंट थी वो दे हैज बीन एक्सपायर्ड ऑन 1/7/2024 को वो एक्सपायर हो गई है उसकी वैलिडिटी एडवर्टीजमेंट की।